Every day, moments of care begin quietly. A door unlocks. Before the first patient arrives, there is purpose in the stillness. The reassuring words, the gentle guidance, the first steps towards feeling better. These moments matter because every movement regained and every smile of relief is shaped by people like you. While you care for others, Halaxy is there in the background, quietly managing the rest, making sure everything stays connected in your practice. Together in 2025, we achieved something extraordinary. More than 16 million hours of patient care delivered. Over 8 million additional hours of care made possible across a network of more than 45,000 practitioners in over 90 professions and 70 countries. Each number represents a real moment of care, and each one exists because of you. Thank you for everything you've given in 2025. We are proud to support you today, tomorrow, and in every quiet moment of care.